Happy Tuesday, my friends. This is our math lesson for Tuesday, which is lesson 11:7, and it's subtraction patterns. So our objective is to identify subtraction patterns and subtract to show a number pattern. So they gave an example up here. This is on page 409. We have our cube trains, 3 different cube trains, 3 different subtraction sentences. So let's look at the first one. Remember, when we subtract, we start with the in all. How many in all? In this case, there are 5 cubes. Minus 1 cube. Remember, I want you to get in the habit of Xing out the number that we are taking away. And when we have 5 minus 1, that leaves how many cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Next cube train. We start with the in all. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes in all. Minus 1. The red X is on this cube. Equals 1, 2, 3 cubes left. And our last cube train, we start with our in all number. There are 3 cubes in all. Minus 1 cube, there's the red X, equals 2 cubes. Now what the pattern is, and see if you can look at it. What is happening in each of these subtraction sentences? The pattern is that for each one part is being taken away. That is the pattern. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And then you'll see another pattern. Look at the answers. 4, 3, 2. That's a pattern that shows 1 less. So we are going to practice subtraction patterns. And I'll do this first one with you, maybe even the second one. So we have the first number is how many cubes in all? In this case, there's 3. Minus how many cubes? 2. So remember, I want you to get in the habit of this. Put an X on the number of cubes being taken away. And that would equal 1 cube left. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now our next subtraction sentence. How many in all? 4 cubes in all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2. So I'm going to put an X on my 2 cubes that are out of here. Equals 1, 2. 2 cubes left. And we'll do our last example in duck number 1. The number is starting in all, which is 5 cubes. And see if you start to notice a pattern. The same thing I'm doing in each of these problems. 5 minus 2. X out 2 of my cubes, best I can. Equals 1, 2, 3. 3 cubes. So what was our pattern? Subtraction pattern is in each of these problems. I am minusing. I am taking away 2. That is what we're doing. Now let's see if this works. Good. So that is what you're going to do with this one. They give you the cubes, the in all, minus how many cubes are taken away, leaves how many cubes left. Now, if you look at this, your eye should already tell you what the subtraction problem is. Or I'm sorry, the subtraction pattern. Notice or taken away the same number. And you would also see a pattern. We go back up to this one. 3 minus 2 is 1, so you'll trace that one there. We'll give you an example. 4 minus 2 is 2. 5 minus 2 is, I can do 3. Now look at our answers. See another pattern. 1, 2, 3. The answers get bigger by 1. So that is what you're doing on this page. Now, look at the pattern. Don't let that throw you. And then the next page, same thing. Okay, and in this case, you're going to see that the pattern is the number taken away is getting smaller by 1. And in this case, the number being taken away is getting bigger by 1. And for the right about it, you're going to find how many are left to show a subtraction pattern. You're going to then put 1 heart in each group to show the numbers in the pattern. So 4 minus 1, you'll write the answer there. Then you're going to put an X here to show the part taken away. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1. And you X each heart to show the part taken away. So this is our subtraction problems. In this case, the subtraction pattern here is the numbers are the same, and then the answer 4, 3, 2 is getting smaller by 1. You'll be doing page 409 and 410. Any questions? Just have your mom and dad email me. All right. Thank you, boys and girls. See you soon.